Hello everybody, this is Lanko, and I know that if you clicked on this video, it's because you want to know how to learn a language through Discord. Now, something that we all dream of is proficiency in the language, and let me tell you, that can be accomplished through enough usage of Discord. So in this video, once again, without losing any time, I'm going to be showing you how to learn the language of Discord. Let's get right into it. Discord is a huge platform which allows people from all over the world to communicate, which thus gives it an incredible value when you think of it as a language learning resource. Now on Discord, there are several kinds of servers. As we all know, there are gaming servers, there are chat rooms, etc. In this video, I'm going to be talking about two kinds of servers in particular. I'm going to be talking about both chat rooms, as in casual chat rooms where people can talk about video games, politics, culture, music, etc. Which, by the way, also tend to be the more prominent servers, which there are usually more of. And then there are also the language learning in particular servers, which are servers dedicated to language learning in particular, which can be found also throughout the internet, but definitely not as much as the casual talking servers. Now listen, if you want to learn a language with Discord, go into a chat room. Now, as I said, there are two kinds. So right now I'm just talking about one. For the chat rooms, just talk. Enjoy your time there. While you're there conversing with the native speakers, write down new vocab words, write down new vocabulary, write down new grammar rules that you hear. Ask them about the culture. Ask them what's happening. Ask them for cool song recommendations. Just interact and learn that way. Not only do you improve your speaking, but you also improve your listening, which are both crucial if you are learning a language. Now, as for the language learning in particular servers, what I strongly recommend that you do on those is that you ask questions related to grammar, and that you also ask questions related to vocabulary. Now, so the way that I see it is chat rooms for learning new vocab, and then you use the formal language learning Discord servers to ask questions about what you learned in the other. Once again, both of these servers will have native speakers, so you're always going to have a great source to receive information from, and tons of people willing to help you as well. In the language learning in particular servers, there also are a huge amount of perks, like when you join them. Two of them off the top of my head being that number one, they have resource lists, and usually have like a section dedicated to resources, which is also extremely useful if you want to find new resources to study with. And another thing which you can do is you can also attend the classes which they usually have on those dedicated language learning servers. As an example, I am part of a Russian server, which is actually a Discord server for a subreddit on Reddit for learning Russian. And they have classes, I believe, every Friday, where they just go off and teach Russian at an intermediate level, and they read together and they prosper together and they learn new vocabulary together. And once again, the teacher teaches you, but it's all free. It's all community learning, which is great. So if you're interested in having essentially a free tutor, go for it. I would strongly recommend this. So if you're studying multiple languages, for example, and if you want to implement this, what I do personally is that I categorize my Discord servers into different folders with different colors, so that I know that when I'm going to study Chinese, I know what folder to go to, and when I'm going to study Russian, I know what folder to go to, and where to enter and who to talk to, etc. So that can also be very useful if you're studying multiple languages. I suggest that you keep that in mind. Keep your Discord organized if you're going to be using it to study languages. By the way, I'm going to be leaving a list of Discord servers in the description below, so go check that out in the description if you want a list of Discord servers in which you can join language. And last but not least, apart from the ones on the list which I'm going to provide, I know some of you may want to do your own investigating. Now, what I recommend that you do is you go ahead and look for keywords. So go on Google and search stuff. For example, Russian learning Discord server Russian. Just look through keywords and you're going to find what you want. I promise you. There are so many sites that list Discord servers. It's incredible. I strongly recommend that you do it. And if you find something cool, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. Well, yeah, that's been today's video. Thank you so much for attending, for watching this. This has been Lanko. I greatly appreciate your support. Once again, thank you so much. I can't believe that there's more than 100 subscribers. More than 100 people think that my work is worth something. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. I love you all. Later.